Hello! Video about testing of the brute force mode of a new self-learning remote control with frequency adjustable for automatics. This is a new self-learning remote control with frequency adjustable for automatics. Initially, we test its operation with automatic of the entrance gates. In the menu, click on the options Brute Force, Grab, Came Top, and turn on the code selection mode. If the gates start to open, the code is selected. Stop the code search and manually return to the selected code. If the correct code is entered, the gates start to close. Check the selected code by closing and opening the gates. Exit the brute force mode, enter the memory bank and store the code in the cell brute02. Check the code stored in the cell. The gates are opening. Now we check the work of this remote control with the automatic of the garage gate. The procedure for selecting the code in this case is similar to that shown above. Check the selecting code by opening and closing the gate. Save the matched code in the memory cell. Exit the brute force mode, enter the memory bank and store the code in the cell brute03. After checking the stored code, return to the memory cell brute02 and close the entrance gates. The entrance gates are closing. Thanks for watching.